Hello friends, welcome to Affairs Cloud. We learn to lead. My name is Vikas. So friends, in today's video we'll be discussing the important brand ambassador appointments of the year 2021. All of these appointments are very important, so do watch the video till the end. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed, hit the like button and share the link of this video with your friends. So let's start with our video, but before that we have some important information to tell you about. We have an app by the name Carriers Cloud which you can go and download through the Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, you will open the app and you will see this type of screen. In this, you can go and log in with your Google account, that is your Gmail ID. Then once you have logged in, then you will be moved to this page where you can see a window. If you click on the current affairs section here, then you will be moved to this page. Now this is where magic happens. This is the course where there are two courses provided by us. First, you should know it is of 1 year and 2 years, so choose your course accordingly. What we are providing and what is the reason behind that you should purchase course of current affairs from us, and what are the important details about it. First thing, you should know that we provide you current affairs in both English and Hindi. Okay, also we provide you here current affairs daily. PDFs are provided daily. The important factor here to remember is we are providing PDF to you daily. Okay, that contains question answers of the daily current affairs. They are explained in a much easy way where you can grasp the knowledge and do your revision. Okay, apart from that, we provide you with question answers. Then on every day we provide you 20 question answers quiz, daily 20 questions quiz. So imagine how much it will benefit you in your preparation. Then we provide you same thing for weekly. In weekly we take a quiz of 50 questions. Then question answers of week, we provide you a book. PDF is provided you weekly of the compiled questions of the whole week. Similarly for monthly also, ebook is given, your quizzes are taken, question answers PDF. Then apart from it, we also help you to prepare for banking papers. All the banking exams you can go refer to our videos and our courses here. You can see here the we provide you banking and economic quiz of 157 questions. Okay, then topic wise PDFs are covered. As you can see, we are making videos on indexes and reports, important days, the books and authors, all the events that are taking place in individual months. So these PDFs are provided to you and they will help you a lot in your preparation for journal awareness, your journal studies, as well as for current affairs. Then you can see we also provide you current affairs for state wise current affairs are provided to you. Apart from this, I have a gift for all of my friends here. If you use my code Vikas10, you will be getting a straight 10% discount on the purchase you make. So when you are about to check out and do the payment, just before the payment, you will be getting an option to use the promo code. There you can put the Vikas10, the code, and you will be getting an extra 10% discount on the total purchase you make there. So let's start with our video. So the first person that we'll be discussing today is Rana Daggubati. He's a famous South Indian actor and he has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Seat Tires company. Alright, as you can see, Seat Limited, a tire company of RPG Enterprises, that stands for Rama Prasad Goenka Group, has signed in actor Rana Daggubati as its brand ambassador to promote the new puncture safe range of bike tires. Alright, so this person has been appointed as Rana Daggubati has been appointed as the brand ambassador of company Seat Tires. Alright, then next person. Next we'll be looking at Sachin Tendulkar. He is a famous, very reputed cricket player and he has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Unacademy. Unacademy is a platform where you can go and do various learning in various fields. Alright, apart from it, do remember Sachin Tendulkar has also picked up stake in Unacademy. Indian former cricket player Sachin Tendulkar has signed a strategic partnership with Unacademy, India's largest online learning app, to pick up small stakes in the platform, and he also became the brand ambassador of Unacademy. Alright, then next. Next, we'll be looking at the Russian supermodel Natalia Vodyanova. She has been appointed as the UN Goodwill Ambassador to encourage the empower to encourage or to spread awareness related to the women health issues. All right, so Russian supermodel Natalia Vodianova is the person who has been appointed as the UN Goodwill Ambassador. The United Nations Population Fund, that is UNPFA, that is United Nations Population Fund, the United Nations Sexual and Reproductive Health Agency has appointed Russian supermodel Natalia Vodianova as its goodwill ambassador. All right, that is the reason she will be, or the role she will be playing is that she will empower women and girls by promoting sexual and rights of them and tackling the stigma and taboos that surround their bodies and health, including menstruation that lead to discrimination and exclusion. All right, as you know, to empower the women and creating awareness about the health related issues of women, the Russian supermodel Natalia Vodianova has been appointed as the UN's goodwill ambassador for this particular role. As you can see her in the picture, she is Natalia Vodianova. Next we'll be looking at Indian actress or Indian Bollywood actress Deepika Padukone. Deepika Padukone has been appointed as the global brand ambassador of the Levi's Group. Levi's is a cloth making company. As you must have won the clothes of this particular company. All right, so Levi's has appointed Deepika Padukone as the global brand ambassador. All right, she has become the global brand ambassador of the particular company Levi's. Levi's is an American clothing brand. All right, if we look at it, Levi's, a premium American denim brand, announced Bollywood actress Deepika Padukone as its global brand ambassador. This strategic partnership highlights the increasing focus of Levi's on women's category. All right, next we'll be looking at Rohit Sharma. He is a famous Indian cricket player. Glenmark Pharmaceutical Company has signed Rohit Sharma as their brand ambassador for a particular product. That is, the name of the product is Candid Powder. All right, if I repeat, Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Limited has signed Indian cricketer Rohit Sharma as its brand ambassador. He will be representing Glenmark's Candid Powder, the well-known brand of Glenmark's consumer care division. As the brand ambassador of Glenmark, Rohit Sharma will be the official face of the brand as a part of its 360-degree communication. That means anything related to this product, if they are promoting, then Rohit Sharma will be part of that. If we look at the Glenmark's Candid Powder, the Candid dusting powder is used to treat skin problems like redness, irritation, sweat rash, and fungal infection. This product has a market share of 64% in the medicated powder category. Candid Powder of the Glenmark is the leading product in this particular category. Alright, so Rohit Sharma has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Limited and their for particular product, that is Candid Powder. Next we'll be looking at Ajinkya Rahane. He is also one of the famous cricket player of India. He has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Neo Growth. Neo Growth recently has launched and it will be providing loans easily loans to small businesses. If you are starting any small business or if you are growing your business, then you can go and apply for small loans, and here Neo Growth will be providing you with that particular facility. And Neo Growth for this reason has appointed Ajinkya Rahane as their brand ambassador. Neo Growth Credit Private Limited has announced the appointment of Indian cricketer Ajinkya Rahane as its brand ambassador for 1 year. Rahane will feature in a campaign of the company named Keeping It Simple. In the campaign, Ajinkya Rahane will talk about the ease of procuring loans through Neo Growth for small businesses, which will be released in the first week of April. So Neo Growth company will be providing loan easily to the small businesses. They are promoting this. Alright, then now after this we'll be looking at some of the other brand ambassadors of the particular year. Staff and management solution provider Paggerbook. Akshay Kumar is the brand ambassador for this. CarDekhoGadi.com. The CarDekho is for online selling and purchasing of the car, and Akshay Kumar is the brand ambassador of that particular CarDekhoGadi.com also. Then for edutech startup Class Plus, Saurav Ganguly is the brand ambassador. For Spice Money, Sonu Sood. Dabar Chamanprash, he is Akshay Kumar again. Equita Small Finance Bank, she is Smriti Mandhana ji. And Math Learning EduTech platform QMath, she is Vidya Balan. Healthcare company Dr. Trust, he is Rohit Sharma. I repeat, Rohit Sharma for Dr. Trust, it is a healthcare company. Vidya Balan for QMath, it is an online teaching platform. Smriti Mandhana is of Equita Small Finance Bank. Akshay Kumar is for Dabar Chamanprash. Sonu Sood is for Spice Money. Saurav Ganguly is for Class Plus. Akshay Kumar is for Gaadi.com, that is Car Dekho. And Akshay Kumar is another for Pager Book. Alright. So friends, this was our video. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you liked our video, do hit the like button, share the link with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel or if you are new to our channel, then do subscribe because it motivates us to bring a better content for you guys. Also, if you have any trouble regarding login or payment or any other issues, then you can reach to us on our mail, that is support@affairscloud.com, or you can call us on the number 9677333862 and we'll resolve your issue as soon as possible. Also, you should go and check our courses that are available at a very reasonable price and that will help you to boost your preparations for upcoming government exams. You can use the code Vikas10 to get a straight 10% discount on any purchase you make. Alright, so that's all for the day. Take care.